I would like to invite our honorable juries over the stage to our first jury, Miss Vasundhara. Now our second honorable jury, Mr. Rakesh Sidana. Please come over the stage. Our third honorable jury for Startup Ka Dangal is Mr. Kapil. This is the time to announce the winner of Startup Ka Dangal. So our three finalists are STEM Metaverse, Ultraceuticals, and Vet Genomics. So, do you want me to announce the name? So the winner is guys, please, a big round of applause for all of them. Not only these three finalists, in fact, all our participants. A big round of applause, please. So the final winner is STEM Metaverse. How are you feeling? Should I announce the name? So the winner for the Startup Ka Dangal is, sorry, I'm not in a mood to announce. Okay, कौन कौन चाहता है कि नाम अनाउंस कर दिया जाए? आप तीनों के अलावा। अच्छा, अभी देखिए 50% के अभी भी हाथ नहीं आए हैं। So what do you want me to do now? अभी वो लोग नहीं मान रहे हैं कि अनाउंस नहीं होना चाहिए। आप कह रहे हैं अनाउंस होना चाहिए। So बताइए। Should I announce? Sure. So the final winner is Ultraceuticals, STEM Metaverse, Vet Genomics. All are good names. All are really fantabulous names of their entities. But the definitely winner will be only one for today evening. So the winner is, actually what I think, the name should come from our jury side only, not me. That is the right way. So I pass it on to our honorable juries. They will announce the name. And please be ready for your applauses for the winner and all the participants.
So how excited you all three of you? Who is going to be? Is it heart is beating so heavily for all three of you? Everybody is waiting for that. So can we announce? Audience?
Okay,
Okay.
one,
Two,
two, three,
three.
and the winner is Genomics. Congratulations, well done. And all the best to you guys as well. All the best. Well done, Dr. Sheila. Congratulations. Well done, well done.
Yeah, please come over the stage.
The Vet Diog Genomics team, please come, share the dais. This is a proud moment. And let's have a clap and a round of
Yes,
applause
please.
for Dr. Sheila and team for winning the first Dangal Startup Mission. Well done. Come, please. So how does it feel?
Right now, really, when I started this venture, when I was doing my PhD, and really tears in my eyes today, and lot of hopes for future. I hope I'll try to give this to India, to enter Bharat, Atmanirbhar Bharat. It's a call for us from Modi ji. We want to become Atmanirbhar Bharat. Let's manufacture our own products, do marketing. So many youngsters are here in India without jobs. Let us create jobs for our own countrymen. So hope I'll at least a little bit with the encouragement. I'll do my best. Thank you so much for entire team here. I really it was I'm even thanks to my both the pet dogs.
Congratulations, as I am little bit extra proud, Rajiv, because I'm being a South Indian. So, no, she is from Andhra, who is the final winner. So, I'm quite very excited that, and well done, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
The thing is that you have a very unique business, actually, comparatively with all the startup companies. Of course, like everybody has their own USP and uniqueness, but you have thought something for the environment. Okay, so you wanted to, as you said, Atmanirbhar Bharat, because you wanted to protect animals. Actually, that's the one, the uniqueness and the USP of your business model, which we all three of us liked it. Basically, yeah.
Thank you.
Once again, thank you.
One simple part is I have a friend. I can understand. I can relate that the lines are going to change.
मैं हिंदी में कुछ कहूँगा कि बेजुबान जो होते हैं उनका ध्यान रखना बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. I would also like to at this time also acknowledge the effort of Mr. Rajkumar and his entire team जिन्होंने इन startups को भी आवाज़ दी है आप सबके आगे हम सबके आगे. And what a great platform to the entire team. Well done. Very, very happy Mr. Rajkumar to be here. Dr. Sheila, very happy for you and very happy for everyone. All the best. Let's keep the spirits up. Let's keep on winning. Let's keep on making India a very proud country at a global level for everyone across the globe. Congratulations to one and all. Thank you very much for spending the Sunday with us as well. Take care.